Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the massive love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I'll be going to share with you one that's the normally say shall never end. This is Progress, the analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening to you. So, my dear people, today I have a quick one to share with you. This is all about security checkpoint along Onitsha to Enugu Expressway. Hey, could you believe that before you will get to Onitsha to Enugu, you will encounter about 32 checkpoints. Oh my goodness. And in this 32 checkpoints, Onitsha to Enugu will endure a checkpoint after every 3.7 kilometers. Oh my goodness. That means these people, they are really doing the business. They are really doing the do in southeastern part of Nigeria. Anyway, that's not really why I am here. A lot has been going on, and you will always follow this update and get all the latest happening. So this message was really sent to Tinubu. By once upon a time, people that once support him or people that he once supported, throw his support to them and back them. These people in Nigeria, they just look like the first class citizens. Nobody talk to them. But today, it don't set. I'm still going to carry you along to what they did to this our sister. Oh my goodness. Now, there is every reason why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst, because here I keep you updated. I bring out the latest happening to you. Without not wasting much of your time, let us dive into the reason why we are here.
Good morning, Nigerians. So, the President of Nigeria, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, thought that we are afraid of him. So, Mr. President, for your information, we are not afraid of you. Number one. I know the President might be confused that why is this boy speaking that way to him. So, Mr. President, if you haven't forgotten, you as the ECOWAS chairman had a meeting and has signed a law that anybody that abuse the beloved prophet Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that is our beloved prophet, the messenger and the last prophet, whomever abuse him, you said that there is no any law or any consequences against him. So, Mr. President, for your information, your message has been delivered. After that, we want to tell you that, Mr. President, number one, you should know that you are not the president of the Muslim. You understand? You are the president of Nigeria. Number one, you are the chairman of ECOWAS. You are not the chairman of the Muslim. So, for your information, the president of Nigeria, let me tell you something. We are not afraid of you. We are not anybody that abused the beloved prophet, anybody that abused the prophet, Mr. President, believe me you, that person is gone forever. Whether you like it or not, that person will be eliminated instantly, whether you like it or not, Mr. President. And let this one serve as a warning for you, Mr. President. We the Northerners are warning you. We are not even begging you. We are warning you. This one should serve as a last warning to you, the President. Let me tell you something. People are now here. Whatsoever that you are doing, people are just watching you. Don't engage yourself in religious matters, because as a president you might cause war. Don't forget that you are from Lagos, while the majority of the Muslims are in the north. That means you are causing religious war in your country. So, Mr. President, let this one serve as a last warning. We are warning you. Hear it, Mr. President. You should hear it very well. We are warning you, not even begging you. We are warning you. This should serve as a last warning to you, and you shall go and remove that word that you have just made, Mr. President. Go and take back your words.
Oh my God, something just happened to me right now, and oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm still shaking. I literally was just coming home. It's not a place where is a police checkpoint or anything. Literally, they were just by the corner, and they stopped me. The police stopped me. And they asked me for my tint permit, and I gave it to them. And my tint permit has a doctor's report. Anybody that knows me knows that I have problem with my eyes. I have problem with lights, so I'm mostly even wearing shades all the time. I wear photochromic glasses, so I gave it to them. And he asked me for my driver's license, and I gave him my driver's license. And then he asked me to step out of the car, and then I step out of the car. And then he now asks me if this is my car, I should give him my car papers. And I'm like, yes, this is my car. My car papers, my tint permit, my doctor's report, and my driver's license, all of them have my name on it. And they're like 4 or 5, I don't know, but the ones that were in direct contact with me were like 2 or 3. And he came, because the first person I talked to was who seemed to be the boss. His name is Okenwu Friday. The rest were not wearing name tags. And they came, I just saw people coming with knives and razors, and they were scratching my glass. And I'm like, hold on, please, like, talk to my mom. She's an officer. Like, hold on, even if you want me to, like, remove the glass, I can't remove it myself. You're scratching my glass. You're scratching it with razors and, like, knives, and the way they were holding it was very scary. And he asked me to step out of the car. So he's literally in my car at this point. And I'm standing outside the car. But the key to my car is always in my handbag. So in every situation, I always carry my handbag out. So even if I don't know, even if like he wanted to drive away with my car, wouldn't drive without a key. So I'm telling him, like, please hold on, I will remove it myself. Like, and then because I was speaking to the first person by the, like, this side, the passenger side, the glass was low a bit. And so my door is always locked. So the way my car is, if you open just one door, the rest will still be locked because I've opened the driver's side. So he's putting his hand through the glass and he's opening it. And then this one comes by this side and literally sits in my car. And I'm like, no, you don't have any right to be in my car. The third one goes there and removes the things. I don't have a problem removing the things. Like, let me remove the things. Let me do it myself. You're scratching it. And then I'm talking to them very calmly, like, please sir, and hold on, speak to my mom, one not. And then he starts to hold his gun, and I lost, and I'm like, do you want to kill me? You don't have a right to be inside my car. You don't have a right to sit in my car. You really don't even have a right to touch my car. Like, this is obviously an illegal thing that you're doing, because that is not even a checkpoint. I live here. Like, I know where the checkpoint is. I know the police are assigned to this place. It's not you people. And so an officer is talking to him, and he's like, please, can you identify yourself? And he wouldn't. And he brings out his phone and he's trying to record the officer that has identified himself, but he won't identify himself. This is Okenwu Friday. He's the main person. And then he tells the person that I'm barking at them, and he has seized my driver's license and my documents at this point. And I'm like, give me my thing, let me go. Like, let me go. I genuinely think that they wanted to steal my car. I genuinely feel like they wanted to steal my car. And I've never felt so vulnerable, because the people that they were stopping were guys, and they weren't treating them that way. I'm home now, but I'm still shaking. You guys should be careful.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do it to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst, as I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.